Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. May I know your full name?
Yes. My full name is Abdullah Al Mamun.
How may I address you?
You may address me Mamun.
Okay, Mamun sir. Where are you from here?
I am from Shavar, which is located between Gaptoli and Nobinagar.
Okay. So, how many members do you have in your family?
Basically, I have 6 members in my family. I, my wife, my 2 children, and we are living our parents together.
Okay, Mamun sir, tell me, what do you do now?
I'm a businessman, so I'm doing a business. And also I'm a student now because I'm admitted in English Fantasy for our English fluency. So you can just both of doing. I'm a student and also I'm a businessman.
Okay, please tell me what is your goal?
I had a previous another goal, but now I'm set a new goal. Now I'm want to go abroad with my family.
Do you want ask some question?
Yes. What is your name, please?
My name is Bornita Khan. You may call me Bornita.
Okay. Nice your name. And could you tell me, please, what's your favorite food?
Yes, sure. My actually all food is my favorite. Just sometimes I like burger, pizza, and also kachi biryani also.
Could you tell me about your hometown?
Yes, sure. Actually, I am origin of Joshore. I live in Joshore. So Joshore is a little town, but it has lots of natural beauty, and it famous for Patali Gur and Michael Madhusudan Datta's birthplace, and he is a Bengali poem writer. And Joshore there are biggest mangrove forest, Sundarban, and there are biggest cinema hall of Monihar. That's why Joshore is famous, and I love Joshore.
Thank you so much inviting me. So today is till now. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much for your valuable time. So thank you very much.